Welcome to BTS Disco. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more BTS updates. After 8 years of hard work, the BTS members have some genuine and sentimental things to say to each other. In their 2021 Festa profile, each member came up with an award they would give to BTS as a whole. Check out the sweet and supportive thing they had to say to each other. RM gave BTS "You Have Worked All This Time" award, revealing the members have always done their best and cheered up as much as they could for the entire 8 years since their debut. Jin chose Perfect Attendance Award since BTS responsibly attends all of their business schedules and is never late or absent. Suga chose Always Award because the members have stayed the same as always, trying their best since the beginning. J-Hope awarded BTS the Immortal Love Award. The members have undying love for each other and treasure their fans endlessly. Jimin created After Image Award, which represents how BTS always leaves beautiful after image behind with everything they do. Armies can agree their accomplishments and exciting events live on as beautiful memories forever. We decided to comfort BTS with his award, choosing the Understanding Award. He wants the members to know that he fully understands the feeling they go through. From their hectic schedules and the lack of energy to the pain of missing ARMY when they are unable to meet. Jungkook gave BTS "You Worked Hard" award. Because BTS has bravely marched forward with armies for the past 8 years, everyone has worked hard. BTS also gave each individual members with their own awards. Check out the awards they gave to their Golden McKnight Jungkook. In celebration of their upcoming 8th anniversary, the BTS members recently released their handwritten 2021 Festa profiles. RM decided to give Jungkook the Jungkook Award, named after actor and entertainer Jungkook, who is known for his built physique. As Jungkook gets more and more muscles, he shares more common with Jungkook than a similar name. Similarly, Jin gave Jungkook the Muscle Award, his reasoning he can lift a member with one hand. Suga used witty wordplay and gave Jungkook the Actually Award, claiming that when he starts something, he doesn't actually continue it. J-Hope gave Jungkook "You Look Nice" award, praising him for his new haircut that suits him perfectly. Jimin hilariously gave Jungkook the So Scary award. His body is too big. The little youngest is not so little anymore. We also commented on Jungkook's fitness and gave him Please Stop award. Please stop working out. You can ask him all you want, but it seems like Jungkook's love for fitness will never run out. Come on guys, he is not that scary, however he is definitely dangerous for ARMY's hearts. Thank you so very much for watching my video.